Good morning, students. Today we are discussing some latest issues in advertising. Yesterday we discussed the importance of ethics in advertising. Advertising being a media of mass communication and open to all of the society has got some expectation from it. It is clear that advertising is a psychological, emotional, social, but a business process of persuading the people with only one aim of increasing the sales volume and extending the market boundaries. Sometimes, under the undue pressure on advertising for enhancing sales, production, and profit, it gets aggressive, leading to untruthful and unethical. In the process of acute cutthroat or unhealthy competition, there are more chances of becoming present-day advertising business where facts can be exaggerated or important facts can be hid. Let us discuss some issues in advertising. We know advertising is very successfully play the role of informer and persuader. Today, the consumer will not buy a product which is not advertised. And some people criticize the advertisement and they believe that the expenditure on advertisement is extra expenditure and it would not give any result. And some other issues on which advertising is criticized, such as use of females, use of children, showing harmful acts, promotion of health hazards products, exaggerate and misleading claims, unverified claims in a language that is ambiguous, use of famous personalities or celebrities. Okay. Let us explain in detail. Firstly, use of females. Advertising is criticized for its sexist approach and for stereotyping women's role by depicting as glamorous dolls. Many organizations taken up the issue of commodification of the female body. In 1986, an act that Indecent Portrayal of Women Prohibition Act was passed. This act forbids the depiction of women in an indecent manner in the mass media. In many advertisements where woman is used, in which in real life there is no relation with the product with those of the woman. So, but the advertiser uses woman for explaining a particular ad. This is not it's not a good process, but a misleading process. It is criticized by the critics, that is use of females in unnecessary ads in a indecent way. That is the one of the issue. Then secondly, use of children. The issue of use of children in advertising as salespersons also remain a matter of criticism for the advertisement industry. Children are used in most of the advertisement. In some advertisement, we see children climbing dangerously to reach products shown in the advertisement. And children have become an essential part of the world of the advertisement. But there is a danger in the real sense that by showing the advertisement, normally children try to imitate such ads. It may result a bad effect or bad impact of such advertisements. That is, the children below a certain age cannot differentiate between dreams and reality, and they try to copy things that is in the advertisement. So, it is to be prohibited. That is second issue, use of children in an dangerous way in advertisement. The next, showing harmful acts. There are many other cases when in an advertisement various harmful acts are depicted, such as the such a advertisement usually by celebrities, which can have a wrong impact on the young generation. And next, promotion of health hazards products. It's another issue which is criticized in advertising. that is promoting those products which could pose problems to health, like for example, advertisements of tobacco and alcohol. Such products are advertised by writing a warning uh, at the below of the advertisement, but in usually such warning in the advertisement does not cover the risk. And the advertisements of such liquor and tobacco is restricted in many countries, and in such a situation they are using such a surrogate advertising methods. And another issue is exaggerate and misleading claims. Sometimes the advertisers promise exaggerately. Example, uh, just for an example, the advertisement of an old advertisement of Indulega. That's an advertisement which is exaggerating the impact of hair fall. The remedy for hair fall within a short period of time. That's an exaggerating or misleading claims by the advertiser. And some organizations make such fake promises and false claims in advertising their products to increase the sales. And these ads often found to be making false claims, such as adding exaggerating features to their products. Okay, so which is an unethical practice. And next is unverified claims in a language that is ambiguous. For example, the advertisement of Pediasure, which is an energy drink which is especially good for children. But the question arises, what do we mean by such a energy drink, and that what are its parameters? And so various advertisements show unverified claims which is not in the interest of the general public. An advertisement agency should therefore present claims against products or services in clear language that is easily understandable by the potential as well as the current customers. Clear? The next issue is use of famous personalities or celebrities. Recently, in most of the advertisements are crowded with famous personalities or celebrities. They are used to promote the product. For example, usually famous popular sports figures are frequently used to promote the health drinks, and film stars are usually used to promote the cosmetics products. And in India, today the use of celebrity advertising become a trend and a winning formula of corporate image building and product marketing. But we have heard several incidents that the advertisement or the products promoted by the celebrities may have proven as a misleading product. There is several examples. So these are the certain issues or latest issues in advertising. So from the above, it is clear that advertising world is now changing towards a new dimension of promotion efforts, which will not only increase scope and reach, but also will prove effective in terms of increasing sales. Okay.